Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by naming the trigger and committing to a 5-minute pause. This resets impulse loops and gives your brain time. Once you've identified the cue, use the 4-4-4 breath, stand up, and move to another room. Make sure to pick one of 3 prepared alternatives: walk, call someone, or do a grounding exercise, so you have a concrete replacement behavior. This reduces automatic responding and trains new neural pathways. Practice these steps daily to build momentum. You now shift from isolated actions to sustained practice by tracking urges with time, intensity on a 0-10 scale, and outcome for 2 weeks. This data shows patterns and progress. Once done, chain small wins. After one successful 5-minute pause, extend to 10 minutes and add a replacement behavior. Make sure to reinforce progress with immediate, consistent rewards, something small but meaningful, to strengthen new routines. This stepwise buildup rewires responses and makes resisting urges easier over time. You complete the process by designing prevention plans for high-risk situations. Avoid, modify, or prepare. Once done, if you relapse, don't ruminate. Quickly analyze the trigger, what was missed, and change just one tactic next time. Small, focused adjustments work better than overhaul. Make sure to enlist accountability, an honest partner, therapist, or support group, to keep you honest and motivated. A key troubleshooting tip: if urges spike, double the pause time and remove immediate access to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.